Recruitment coordinators know the daily grind all too well, the endless resume piles, the back-to-back scheduling, and the repetitive interactions that feel like they never end. Imagine if you could break free from that cycle, prioritize the human connection, and focus on what really matters in your role. With our course, AI is not a distant dream, but a present tool that makes life simpler, more strategic, and definitely more rewarding. Instead of getting lost in repetitive administrative work, you'll learn how to harness AI as your personal assistant, transforming routine tasks into automated processes and freeing up your time to build stronger relationships and make executed decisions that really count. This course takes you step by step through practical applications of AI that will help you quickly sift through resumes, pinpoint the best candidates, and streamline your daily operations, all while boosting your professional edge. You'll dive into clear, hands-on video modules, engaging guides, and even flexible audiobooks that allow you to learn on the go. The insights shared are designed to empower you as a decision maker, turning you into a vital strategic resource within your organization. Along the way, you'll earn certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This isn't about overwhelming technical jargon, it's about real-world techniques that you can start applying right away. You'll understand how to use AI to generate measurable results, proving your worth with concrete metrics like reduced time to hire and improved candidate satisfaction. You can find all AI for Recruitment Coordinators training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.